Hi guys, and welcome to our homestead. This is going to seem a little alarming. Okay, so I ran into my first problem. Try not to shred my thumb. So when we first decided to start our lives in Costa Rica, one of the biggest factors that made it the winning place is the ability to grow food year-round. It was really important for us that we were going to be able to be mostly self-sufficient in this space. So I set up Hugelkultur beds and regular garden beds on a property that we were lucky enough already had a ton of food growing on it already. So right now we're heading into what is the heart of the rainy season. It's our first rainy season, so it's going to be a bit of a learning curve. So far, it's not as bad as I expected. I really did not expect to be able to at least get this kind of weather. We get sunlight for a few hours in the morning usually, and then the rain comes down again in the afternoon. Mike's taking the brief window of sunlight as an opportunity to cut the grass. So it's never easy to set up a new home in a new country. Is not a lot different other than it's a lot harder. We've had to start learning a new language, a really new and different culture. The good thing about it is in a place like Costa Rica, they make it pretty easy for you to do that. The people here are super friendly. They're all really helpful. They're all willing to be accommodating when we're struggling with our Spanish, and you can't beat these views.